Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HardTravel.com, your Princess Cruises experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Sapphire Princess. This particular category is an interior stateroom. It's the lead-in, and you're going to find it has quite a bit of space. Now I'm going to take you through all the room here in just a moment and review the amenities, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you do it right on HardTravel.com or reach out to your Hard Travel expert. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now we've started off in the bedroom area. You see you have your Princess luxury bed here. They've really upgraded the mattresses, the linens, and the pillows in the last few years, and I find it really makes a wonderful difference. Now you'll have lamps on either side of the bed. There's USB chargers built in so you can charge your devices overnight. I love that they have drawers where you can tuck your luggage away. Now keep in mind that these ships do long cruises, short cruises, and everything in between, so you're going to find that there's ample storage throughout the entire space. There's plenty of storage underneath the beds to tuck those away as well, and keep in mind they can separate this apart into two twins if that's your preference, and in some cases they have triples and quads, which would have Pullman style beds that come from the ceiling. Now directly across, you're going to find a large flat panel TV. They upgraded this recently as well. It's fully interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship. Of course, you can even watch the Love Boat. They always have episodes on there. And you can also watch your favorite television stations. You've got your mini fridge underneath here, a couple mirrors, and a really nice large vanity that doubles as a writing desk. You've got plenty of storage underneath here. You'll also find your hair dryer just up above, and then a little bit more storage on the corner. Your temperature control is to the side, and as I walk around the corner, you're going to find that there's an enormous amount of storage space. They have a true walk-in closet. This is hanging storage that goes all the way across here, storage up above as well. Just behind this floor-to-ceiling mirror you can use to get ready, you'll find your safe, perfect size for a passport, wallet, or a small tablet. You got more storage up and down with the shelves. Now as I step into the bathroom, it's not a huge bathroom, but it's ample for the leading category. You're going to find storage up and down here, a little bit of storage on the countertop and down below. You got the toilet tucked in the corner. I'll step in the shower. Now I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy. I do fit in here. You've got a shower curtain that bows out. Do wish it was a shower door, but works just fine. You're going to find that you have your shower head up above, those amenities, and then a nook for your own bath amenities. Now when you're ready to book this interior cabin or any other room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you do it right on HardTravel.com or reach out to your Hard Travel advisor. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.